you can see that there is no water on the outside and the water is inside. And this was the experiment that we did, proving to you that air contains 20% of what? What gas?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. That's why it doesn't burn anymore. And therefore, inside is actually right now a partial vacuum. And if I hold that up like that, it can hold. Huh? Yeah. But if I were to have a little bit of water outside, let's say I have a little bit of water outside. Okay? Now do you think I can hold? That is a difficult question. Now do you think I will be able to hold like before? There are two answers, huh? Either yes or no. What do you think? Can. I still can hold. Okay, let's see. Huh? There you are. Wow, not bad. I still can hold. Huh? Yeah, that's pretty good. Although it is a little bit dicey, if there is a leak somewhere, somehow, if there's a leak like that, then you find that you can hold. Okay? Yeah. So the reason why you can hold up the whole of this was because of the atmospheric pressure pressing up on here. And because of the atmospheric pressure pressing up on here, we are able to hold it up. And basically pressure is what we're going to do today. Pressure is a very important topic in physics. Okay, so we are going to talk about atmospheric pressure, and we are going to see how pressure affects the liquid. Okay, now here we have something like this. Right. Now this one has a liquid connecting the two tubes inside here. Inside this, we have a liquid connecting the two tubes. So when I press on this, then this one goes up. This is called a hydraulic press. We will tell you why the name is hydraulic, but the word hydraulic has to do with liquid inside. Okay, so this has got liquid inside. So right now I'm going to put this 2 kilogram force here. Now the 2 kilogram force, try to hold the Kindle with one hand. The 2 kilogram force, 1 kilogram is already very heavy. So just imagine 2 kilogram force. Okay, 2 kilogram force. Wow, it's really very heavy. So if I have this here, what do you think will happen? If I press here with my index finger, you think this will go up? No? Okay, let's try and see. I'm going to press with my index finger. Little finger can lift up this. Wow. Wow. Little finger can lift up that. little finger can lift up that. Okay, why don't you try this? Try to hold your tinder properly. Okay. No sweat right now. Huh? A little pinky finger, or even the pinky finger, if I use my pinky finger, I can even lift up that quite easily. And this is 2 kilogram force, which is 200 newtons. Wow. Why do you think this is able to lift up? First question, why? What can you see between these two cylinders? Are they of the same diameter? No, right, huh? This has got a bigger diameter than the other one. And therefore, if I were to put this here, you think you'll be able to lift it? Try. Never mind, I'll pick it up for you. It's going to be very difficult. Huh? You need a lot of force, right? Huh? You need a lot of force. So if I were to pick it, press here, this amount of force is very great. Huh? Oh, not so easy. In fact, I got to use 2 hands to push it up like that. Okay? Try. Press it down. Okay, so in order to lift something heavy, you must put this over here. Okay? And it's all about pressure. Pressure is defined as force over area. Okay? And this pressure will be transmitted throughout the liquid here. So if I have a small area, A2, I need a small force. So if the area here is very big, the pressure will go right through and lift this one up. Big force. Big area. Okay? But the pressure inside this liquid is the same. And therefore we say that pressure in the liquid will be exerted in all directions within the liquid, on all the surfaces of the liquid. And because we have a large area, you can lift a large force with a small force, because I'm applying a small force on a small area. So again, pressure is equals to force over area, right? Huh? So this is called the hydraulic press. And this hydraulic press is used in many instances in real life. They are used to squash cars. Singapore squash all the old cars, so big, and it was put in within the hydraulic press. And the hydraulic press will squash the car using a very small lever to press here, and the car will be squashed. This is called hydraulic press because in the past, farmers used to put hay here, and then they would press the hay into a block so they can tie it up like this. So remember, this is called hydraulic press, and this is manufactured by PL. What is PL? PL does not stand for Peter Lim, but PL stands for Promised Land. Yeah, so it's not Peter Lim, it's Promised Land. Yay! Thank you.